Hi everyone, this is Shweta and welcome to HT Digital. Samsung launched the Galaxy Tab S7 series along with the Galaxy Note 20 series last month. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 series consists of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus. Today we have with us the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. In today's video, we'll take you through the features of this tab so that you make an informed decision when you buy it. So let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus features a 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2800 into 1752 pixels. So as you can see, the Tab S7, it has uniform bezels all around. It has got two microphones here and there's a USB charger. It has also two microphones here, so in totality we get 4 microphones. There's a camera here on top, so it's basically hidden in the bezel, so you do not really see the camera. Then on the right side you can see the power button. You can also use it to invoke Bixby, which is Samsung's virtual assistant. And then here you get the volume keys, so you can turn up the volume and turn it down. Also, if you can take a closer look here we have got the SIM card slot. So now we turn it around and what we see is that there is a Samsung branding on the left side. On the right you have the dual camera setup, which is placed inside a vertically stacked camera module. And in the middle at the bottom you can see the AKJ branding, which signifies that Tab S7 Plus comes with AKJ sound technology. It has a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera at the back. On the front, you get an 8 megapixel camera that is safely hidden inside the top bezel. In terms of the power, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor that is coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space. But if that memory is a little less for you, you can use a memory card of up to 1TB storage space. Coming to the battery, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus comes with a massive 10,090 mAh battery. It also features support for S Pen, which you get inside the box. Now the most important question, which color would you pick? To answer that, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is available in Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Silver color variants. You can pick anything that you like because they all look gorgeous. That's all as far as the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is concerned. We'll be back with more such interesting videos. Till then, stay tuned.